Hafatetat Manu Hamza, how are you guys? Intermittent fasting, where you alternate short periods of eating with long periods of not eating, is a great tool to improve your health, save time, and still enjoy the foods we Chamorros have grown up with. Today, we're having delicious Chamorro sausage from Reverence Farm's ground pork, and their maple bacon is unlike any bacon you've ever had. Pork fat never, and I mean never, tasted so good. Of course, we love short to medium grain rice, or Chamorros on Guam. Yesterday, I didn't eat because I'm doing alternate day fasting at the moment, so this meal is going to be incredible today. I can't wait. This is gollai appan agat from my freezer. Did you know you can freeze it? It thaws and reheats perfectly fine. This fina'dennen biregnhenas, or spicy eggplant, is a mixture of what I made a few days ago and what came from my freezer. Once the eggplant salad is thawed, add a bit more coconut milk and salt to taste, then stir. Otherwise, it's just as delicious, if not better. We eat lots of avocados because it's packed with healthy fat to fill us up. I strongly encourage you to open up that Show More tab below and click on the playlist link for intermittent fasting. It's a life changer. Gotta have some veggies. I hope you found this Chamorro vlog useful. Be sure to check out my other Chamorro food videos linked at the end and down below. Adios!